Hi class, in lesson 4.6 you will be learning about long division of whole numbers, learning targets for today, estimating with quotients, and developing an algorithm for dividing whole numbers. Key terms to look for in lesson 4.6, dividend, divisor, and quotient. Turn to page 280, problem 1. Before we divide with decimals in lesson 4.7, let's think back to what we have already learned about division of whole numbers. We have learned that division helps you determine how many times one number is contained in another number. In other words, you determined the quotient given a dividend and a divisor. The dividend is the number or decimal that is being divided into equal groups. The divisor is the number or decimal that divides the dividend. Finally, the quotient is the result of the division sentence. Quotients can be whole numbers, decimals, or fractions. Turn to page 282. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure used for calculations. In Morgan's example, this is the standard algorithm that we are going to be using with long division of whole numbers. Turn to page 283, problem 2. Carnegie Middle School conducted a month-long food and clothing drive to assist in disaster relief. They collected the following items for distribution. If the students want to make 256 disaster relief shipping crates, how many bottles of water will they put in each shipping crate? For number 1, analyze each solution with your group members and answer letter A on page 284. Dustin's solution is incorrect because when 256 would not go into 51, he did not show a 0 in his quotient. Answer number 2, letters A through C with your group members. For number 2, letter A, here is the work that I should see for the number of cans of food. Each shipping crate should have 52 cans of food. For letter B, here's the work that I should see in order to determine the number of blankets. Each shipping crate should have 37 blankets. For letter C, here's the work that I should see for batteries. Each shipping crate should have 76 batteries. Turn to page 286 and answer number 3 with your group members. For number 3, Madison is correct because you cannot have a fraction of a coat, so writing the answer with a remainder makes more sense. In division problems, the remainder can mean different things in different situations. Sometimes the remainder can be ignored, and sometimes the remainder is the answer to the problem. Sometimes the answer is the number without the remainder, and sometimes you need to use the next whole number up from the correct answer. In other words, you can round down if you don't use the remainder, and you can round up if you use the next whole number larger than your answer. Turn to page 287. The Carnegie Middle School is hosting a picnic for any 5th grader who will be attending school next year as a 6th grader. The hospitality committee is planning the picnic for 125 students. Each 5th grader will get a sandwich, a drink, and a dessert. I would like you to answer letters A through D for number 4 with your group members, and remember to think about what the remainder means in terms of each problem situation. For number 4, letter A, Rhonda is correct. For this problem situation, they need to make sure that they round up to 16 so you have enough sandwiches for the picnic. If you only ordered 15 sandwiches, there would be 5 people who would not be served. For letter B, the committee should order 11 boxes of frozen fruit bars. They will have 7 extra frozen fruit bars left over. Letter C, they should order 6 cases of water, and they will have 19 extra bottles of water. And for letter D, it will take 4 buses to transport the 5th graders. There will be 3 empty seats. Turn to page 288. I would like you to do number 5 through number 7 for homework tonight. And please remember to think about what the remainder means in terms of each problem situation. This will conclude lesson 4.6 on long division of whole numbers. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.